Miura is Japan's top manufacturer of industrial boilers and began offering 24/7 online maintenance from the ZIS Online Center in 1989. Using telephone line-based online communication with boilers, a first for the industry. Going forward, we will offer maintenance control for the entire factory, including production facilities, providing our customers with an environment that allows them to focus on their core operations. Now, let's take a look at our ever-evolving center. The ZIS Online Center, which is focused primarily on monitoring boilers, will be reborn as the Miura CONNECT Center, which will handle various problems faced by factories. Using AI, 3D data, and other IT to assess it, we detect even the smallest changes and perform preventative maintenance with predictive detection in a systematic manner to prevent breakdowns. Additionally, we use GPT to make arrangements for replacing parts and initiate response procedures, allowing the center and the people on site to work hand in hand to offer prompt, high-quality maintenance. In addition to Miura products, we also connect digitally to products from other companies to monitor factory equipment and integrate factory operations in a safe and efficient manner by providing total maintenance. We believe that our total maintenance is an effective way to address serious labor shortages in factories. In aligning closely with our customers, we provide equipment maintenance to minimize problems and improve efficiency, while also providing operational support suited to constantly changing environments and production conditions, and assistance with ongoing energy saving, resource conservation, and cost reduction. Additionally, we are working actively to provide a range of proposals and support for factory automation, which will continue to progress in the future. We will work with our customers to bring smart factories to reality by offering combinations of services tailored to each customer. Let's look further into the future. The network Miura provides will grow broader, expanding into a world of circulating information. As a partner in creating the future, we will craft a network of trust and security together with our customers. That network will become a place of sharing for the information that our global customers want to know, where everyone can continue to work together to create a better future. That is the sort of future that Miura proposes. Now, please enjoy a demonstration of preventative maintenance performed with predictive detection using a monitoring system. At the CONNECT Center, signs of a malfunction in equipment at a food factory have been detected. At the CONNECT Center, data collected via the IoT is parsed and analyzed based on the maintenance knowledge that Miura has built up to date. And maintenance is performed before the equipment stops. Preventing equipment trouble from occurring unexpectedly makes it possible to maintain factory performance. The CONNECT Center AI system promptly and reliably arranges delivery of maintenance parts, schedules appointments with customers, and dispatches dedicated field engineers. Parsing and analysis information is shared with dedicated field engineers immediately. The diagnosis details and maintenance schedule are also emailed to the customer. Rest assured that we can act before factory operations are affected. Connect Center provides a constant watch over the status of response at customer sites until maintenance is completed. We check if there are any problems with the delivery status of parts automatically procured at the same time as predictive determination. If necessary, we arrange meetings with the relevant equipment manufacturers and provide a factory-wide response. Now to the actual day of action. We check that the field engineer is en route as planned. There are no traffic jams, and the engineer will arrive on schedule. On arrival at the site, the field engineer explains the details of the maintenance work to the customer. In cooperation with the dedicated field engineer, the Connect Center uses 3D data and other IT to gain an overall understanding of the equipment so that we can provide a reliable response. Additionally, we check images from wearable devices worn by our field engineers and share this information. We'll now start the maintenance. The field engineer checks the important points identified by AI and the details specific to the site to provide a reliable response. The equipment manufacturers whose presence has been requested arrive on site and check the details of the maintenance work. Maintenance is complete and the final operation check is performed. The field engineers report the results of the maintenance work to the customer. Simply completing maintenance is not the goal. The Connect Center continues to watch over customers 24/7 for their peace of mind. Here you can get a feel for the way digital data is used in 3D. Scan this QR code with your smartphone to view the factory in 3D. You can move around using screen operations, so please feel free to explore the factory. This QR code is also available at the Connect Center, so please give it a try. Did you enjoy exploring the factory digitally? The Miura of the future will link with people and equipment of all kinds, supporting entire factories. We will continue to offer customers our support, acting as a consultant who provides proposals for appropriate solutions to the various problems that factories face. Well done. Good work. How about a drink tonight? Sure. Let's go to the battery bar. The battery bar? That sounds a little terrifying.